How to remove family link from Google account? First of all, open Google application on your device. Once you open it, you need to make sure to sign in on your Google account. And then you have to select the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Manage your Google account option. Now on this page, you need to scroll and then select People and Sharing, where at the top only you will see your family on Google. So as you can see that we don't have any family members here on Google account, but if you have any and you are the manager of it, then you can simply select manage the family on Google button, and once you open it you can simply tap on remove any family members you want to remove from the family link on Google account. And once you have done that, you have to enter your password in order to confirm your account, and once done you can successfully remove the family link from Google account by tapping on remove button. So that's how we easily do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates.